The Farmtrac Atom 26 is a compact yet highly efficient tractor designed to meet the modern-day farming needs of small landholders, horticulturists, and orchard farmers. Manufactured by Escorts Limited, a well-established name in the agricultural machinery sector in India, this mini tractor combines durability, performance, and versatility in a compact package. It stands out in the under 30 HP category with its advanced features, impressive design, and excellent utility in various agricultural and haulage tasks. Under the hood, the Farmtrac Atom 26 is powered by a 3-cylinder Mitsubishi engine that generates 26 horsepower. This engine is known for its fuel efficiency and durability, making it a cost-effective choice for farmers. The engine operates at a rated RPM of 2,700, which ensures strong performance even during heavy-duty operations. The combination of power and RPM ensures optimal torque and fuel economy, allowing it to perform tasks such as tilling, spraying, and hauling with ease. The transmission system of the Atom 26 is equipped with a constant mesh gearbox that provides smooth and effortless gear shifting. It offers 9 forward and 3 reverse gears, giving the operator a wide range of speed options to choose from. This flexibility ensures precision in various applications, whether it's plowing in a small field or transporting loads across longer distances. The top forward speed of around 24 km per hour allows for decent travel efficiency without compromising fuel economy. Designed for comfort and ease of use, the Farmtrac Atom 26 features a mechanical or optionally power-assisted steering system that provides precise control with minimal effort. The operator's station is ergonomically built with a well-cushioned seat and accessible controls, reducing fatigue during long working hours. The tractor's compact size and small turning radius make it ideal for operations in orchards, greenhouses, vineyards, and narrow field rows. The Atom 26 comes with a Category I 3-point linkage and a lifting capacity of up to 750 kg, enabling it to handle a variety of implements such as rotavators, cultivators, sprayers, and trailers. Its hydraulic system is highly responsive and efficient, enhancing productivity during implement operation. Additionally, it is fitted with a single or optional dual clutch system that further improves performance during PTO operations. The PTO speed is 540 RPM, making it compatible with most standard agricultural attachments. Farmtrac has equipped the Atom 26 with dry or oil-immersed brakes, depending on the variant, ensuring reliable stopping power and safety during operations. The tractor also features durable tires, 6.00 by 12 inches at the front and 8.30 by 20 inches at the rear, that offer strong grip and stability on various terrains. This ensures better traction and balance while working in wet, muddy, or uneven fields. Another key highlight of the Atom 26 is its aesthetic and functional design. It features a sleek and stylish exterior with robust build quality. The front and rear fenders are designed to reduce mud accumulation, while the headlights and indicators are smartly integrated for a modern look. Despite its compact build, it maintains a strong and rugged frame that can withstand daily agricultural challenges. In terms of fuel capacity, the Atom 26 offers a 24-liter fuel tank, which is sufficient for extended hours of operation without frequent refueling. Its efficient fuel consumption adds to its economic advantage, making it one of the most budget-friendly tractors in its class. The Farmtrac Atom 26 is not only ideal for farmers but also suited for municipal and landscaping tasks. Its versatility allows it to perform equally well in commercial gardening, inter-row cultivation, and even light construction tasks. In summary, the Farmtrac Atom 26 is a powerful and economical choice for small and medium-scale farmers who seek performance, reliability, and compact efficiency. With a combination of strong engine power, flexible gear options, responsive hydraulics, and user-friendly design, it proves to be an excellent companion for a wide variety of agricultural tasks.